Today we're going to take a look at two bikes and analyze them in ObserVIEW, and then create a PSD for each one, and then make a composite test profile by doing the average PSD between two bikes. Let's get started. So on the left we have the Aventon e-bike, and on the right we have a Trek Dual Sport Plus e-bike. Both have a sensor mounted on the down tube near the water bottle. Now in a previous video I went about how to reorient the sensor, so when it's on an angle you can realign it so it's vertical. You can watch the video on that on the card above. So here's the route that we went through. I've got the vertical of the Aventon here and the vertical of the Trek, and they're very similar overall. You can see the speeds here. We went from 0 to 28 miles per hour. Now let's go about adding a PSD and creating that average. So I'll do add PSD. I'll make this full screen now so you can see. And you can see the two are different. The Aventon is a little bit lower amplitude than the Trek. Now let's add a math trace to get the average between the two. That's simply going to be mean of these two. And let's take a look at the result. I'm going to change the line style here a little bit so it pops right out. And there it is, a live updating math trace of the mean of these two. I can move my data range around to maybe a different location on this track. So I could go to here, as you can see, and the PSD is live updating to match the new location, which is great. Now, if I want to go and take this and run it on a shaker, I can go to Excel and I can just paste it in. I can then take this definition and put it into VibrationView or any other Vibe controller. That's all.